I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the inverted front camera on your Android device. Because Android layouts vary, I will show you how to do this on both Samsung and Google Pixel devices. First, let's walk through the steps to do this on a Google Pixel device. Step 1. Open the camera app and switch to your front-facing camera. Step 2. Tap the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then tap More Settings. Step 3. Scroll down through the menu until you see the option for Keep Selfies as Seen. Step 4. Toggle this switch off to ensure your photos are automatically flipped back to a normal, unmirrored view when saved. Next, let's walk through the steps if you're using a Samsung device. Step 1. Open the camera app and switch to the front-facing selfie camera. Step 2. Tap the settings icon, which looks like a gear in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to find the option that says Save Selfies as Previewed. Step 4. If you want your photos to look like real life and not be backwards, turn this toggle off. If you actually want them to stay exactly as they look in the mirror preview, turn this toggle on. Please keep in mind that these settings only change how the final photo is saved to your gallery. While you are actively lining up and looking at the screen to take the picture, the camera preview will always look like a mirror. This is designed to make it easier for you to frame yourself in the shot without getting confused when you move left or right. If you have older photos that are already inverted, you can easily open them in the Google Photos or Samsung Gallery app, tap Edit, and use the crop or rotate tools to manually flip them horizontally. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.